How to send a photo through email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send a photo through email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically send a photo through email, all you have to do is first of all figure out which email service you're using, whether you're using Apple Mail, AOL Mail, Yahoo Mail or other mailing services. It all really depends upon and boils down depending upon the mailing app you're using. So in this case I'm using Gmail, so I can simply open up the Gmail application here, and once done I can simply tap on the compose option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then after I do that, I can simply go on about entering my email as I normally do. Then I can go to the compose email tab. When I go to compose email, I can tap on the pin option from the top right hand side, then tap on the attach file option. Then I'll be able to see a list of photos and videos that are on my gallery, or I can select gallery here instead. Then I can select a photo or video, then I can tap on done, and then you can see that photo will get successfully attached here. This way I can send a photo through email. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.